In this video, we're going to look over number 93 on page 437. This is a neutralization question. Write the balanced equations for the neutralization reaction of HBr with the following bases. And we're going to just focus on A and B. C is kind of redundant. So we're looking at HBr, hydrobromic acid, and reacting with sodium hydroxide, and in B, aluminum hydroxide. All right, well, HBr is an acid, NaOH is a base, and we know that in neutralization reactions, an acid and a base usually give us a salt and water. Okay, it's a special type of double displacement reaction. All right, so NaOH plus HBr, so we have a base and an acid. Now, salt and water. Well, water should be pretty easy. Let me change color here. So we have H plus here. All right, we have OH minus here, so that's where the water is going to be formed. And we have, let's go turquoise, Na plus and Br minus. So we're going to get NaBr to come together, and H2O. Okay, there's our salt and there's our water, and this is balanced. 1 Na, 1 Na, 1 OH, 1 OH, 1 H, and 1 Br. So let's look at it with regard to B, aluminum hydroxide. And let me scroll down just a little bit so we can kind of break each of these up. All right, so we're going to have Al plus 3. We're going to have Br minus 1. And we're going to have 3 OH minuses and an H plus here. Okay. So we're going to need 3 H pluses, so we're going to need to balance this. Okay, and what's that going to give us? Well, we're going to get water, and I'm using blue here for water, so let's get back to blue. And if I have 3 H's and 3 OH's, that's going to form 3 waters. Now, Al plus 3, Br minus 1. What's going to be the formula? This will be a good time to talk about that cross method that we learned a couple chapters ago. Let me get red here. Al plus 3, Br minus 1. We swap the values. This should be Al1 Br3. We don't need the 1, so it's going to be Al Br3. There's our salt. All right, so 1Al, 1Al, 3 OHs, 3 OHs, because remember, this is H plus OH minus. So when you see it that way, it's easy to see. So we have 1Al, 1Al, 3 OHs, 3 OHs, 3 H pluses, 3 H pluses, and 3 BRs, and this is balanced. So remember, neutralization reaction, acid plus base gives us salt and water.